Adding wayfinding paths to the floor plan is strongly recommended, as this ensures that the blue dot on the user's mobile app will snap to a path when a user is in close proximity. In the Mist portal, after you've gone to Location Live View and clicked on the floor plan that you want to add wayfinding paths to, click the Wayfinding Paths button. Under Drawing tool on the right, click Insert Path. Click inside the floor plan to indicate the starting point of the path. Then, click the next point to continue drawing the path. Make sure the lines of your path are truly connected. On larger floor plans, you may need to zoom in to ensure this. Finally, click Save to save the changes.